Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my new brand video. It's me Honey, and also welcome to my YouTube channel Cook with Honey. So now today we learn how to make creamy fruit chaat within 15 minutes at your home. You can see that in a video that how amazing and looks yummy creamy fruit chaat we made it. First of all, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share with your family and friends. Let's start it. We can use some dry fruits in it. First of all, we use almonds, badam, walnut, akhrots, raisins, kishmir, and we use some fruits in it. In fruits, we use apple, banana, guava, and grapes. Now we cut all fruits in cubic shape. First, we clean apple and then cut in cubic shapes. Guys, if you don't have more and more fruits in your home, so don't take any tension, you use just apple and bananas. Especially the purpose is saying that you use just those fruits which are available at your home. I have 4 types of fruits. You can see in a video apple, guava, banana and grapes. So I use in fruit chop. So now I cut it in cubic shape. It's very easy to cut in cubic shape, guys. You just use sharp knife and cutting board and just cut it. And you don't peel apple. It's important tip for you. That you make Russian salad. In Russian salad you peel apple, and in fruit chop you don't peel apple. So add it in some plate and pot. So it's turn of bananas. We just cut in simple shape banana. We use 3 bananas in it. And after cutting, put in some plates where I put it apple. So it's ton of guavas. I just cut it guava in also cubic shape. And don't peel bananas and apples and guava. Guys, believe me, it's very yummy in a taste and just ready in 15 minutes. So you can must watch video and try to make it at home and give feedback in comment section. If you want to learn another videos, another recipes, so request me in comment section. I just must try it. So it's ton of grapes. I just grapes cuts in 1 slices and put it some plates. So it's almonds. We cut in 1 slices. So now it's turn of walnuts. I cut walnuts in simple shapes. You can see that in a video. Now the time of whipping cream. Whipping cream is the most important part in desserts, cake decorations, cupcakes, fruit tarts and Russian salads. And whipping cream is very yummy and delicious in taste. So we beat 5 minutes on high flame. After beating 5 minutes, it's ready to put in our fruit chaat. So take some piping bag. You just watch in a video that how I put cream in a piping bag. You just easily with slowly speed putting cream in a piping bag and just cut in front of side and put in a plate. putting of cream, it's only depend on you that how you looks like yummy or creative or inspiring that you put it. After putting cream, you use some dry fruits, which I front of video. So guys, you watch it that how I made it looks yummy, beautiful, creamy fruit chart within 15 minutes at your home, and I use just simply fruits in it. So you must try this recipe and give feedback in comment section. Like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.